Welcome to Sharmila's Syntax Squad. Today we are going to look into some phrasal verbs along with some pictures. To begin with, let's look into some daily activities phrasal verbs. Number 1, wake up, meaning stop sleeping, or get up, meaning rise from bed. Next one, turn on, start a device, or turn off, stop a device. Device can be a gadget too, or a switchboard like here. Put on, wearing shoes, take off, remove shoes, or clothes, etc. Go out, leave home, come back, return home, going out, coming back. Sit down, meaning take a seat. Stand up, rise to your feet. Now we are going to look into some phrasal verbs related to communication. Let's see the first one. Call back, return a phone call. Pick up, answer a phone call. Next one, hang up, end a call. Speak up, meaning talk louder. Now we are going to look into some phrasal verbs related to work and study. The first one, look for, search for something, find out, discover information. Third one, write down, meaning note something or noting something. Go over, meaning reviewing something. Now we are going to look into some phrasal verbs related to travel. The first one, get on, meaning boarding a vehicle. Get off, meaning leaving a vehicle. Next one, check in, as in registering at a hotel or an airport. Check out, meaning leaving a hotel. Now we are going to look into some phrasal verbs related to home and chores. Clean up, meaning tidy or organize. Throw away, like discarding trash, like in this picture. Put away, meaning store items in their place. Take out, removing something, for example, trash as shown in the picture. Now let's look into some phrasal verbs related to health. The first one, work out, meaning doing exercise. Lie down, meaning recline, as you can see from the picture, right? Next one, cut down, meaning reduce consumption. Like here, example, sugar. Get better, meaning recovery. Now let's see some phrasal verbs related to social interactions. The first one, get along, meaning have a good relationship. Meet up, meaning gathering with others. Next one, hang out, spending time socially. Break up, meaning ending a relationship. Now let's look into some phrasal verbs related to shopping. Let's see the first one. Try on, testing clothes for fit, like a fit check. Take back, returning an item if you don't like it. Next, pay for, giving money for something. Sell out, have no more stock, right? Like sold out. Now phrasal verbs, some miscellaneous ones, okay? Like in general. First one, hold on, meaning wait. Give up, meaning someone who stopped trying. Run into, meaning meeting unexpectedly. Look after, meaning to take care of. I hope you like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.